Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the about phone, then select the option factory reset here, and then tap erase all data, and then tap factory reset. Then you have to wait for the 10 seconds and get to know with these informations. Then tap next. Next you have 10 more seconds to get to know with these new informations. Then tap OK, and then your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.